Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a 1 minute, 2 minute video real quick here to show you how the most simplest way you can use Clean Panels. So I have a brand new install of Clean Panels 6.12 on a version of 4.2.3. Okay, so it's installed, I haven't configured anything, and basically what I want you to do is close the preferences. You can see everything over here looks as cluttered as it should be. Go up here on the left, make sure your little filter is turned on. Bam. So refresh my panel. You can basically see I turned on and we started by cleaning everything up. Okay. Let's click the little cog eye wheel here and you can basically see the different ways we offer. Okay. Me personally, I'm done. What I like to do is I use focus panels. And basically what that does is gives me a little focused window here and all my options are right there. Okay. I'll go into a little bit more, but as you can see, if you want to come in and start making categories, you can do that right here. Let's make a quick one. We'll call it test. And let's say we just want to put a couple things in here. Boom, 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 boom. Hit OK. And now what you're going to do, you're going to see a little icon. You enabled it. Bam. That is your category. Okay. You can turn off and go back and see how messy everything is. But as you can see, Clean Panels can get complicated, but on the most simplest levels, the key was to clean up the side panel and give you a couple options. So I'll go into a couple more videos, but this is the most simplest. Install it, make sure it's turned on, and figure out from there which way you want to go. Focus panel, filtering, which would be the categories, drop down, which would be up top, or pie panels, which would bring it up in the middle and let you go from there. Thank you.